Welcome back to another decluttering video. I am going to go through my instruments, gardening stuff, as well as some tools. Let's start out with the ukulele. This is something that I really can't get rid of. I'll be honest, this is the first instrument that I started on, and I know how to play this the most out of everything. It's kind of like the foundation for everything, so I don't think I can get rid of this. Okay, I'm keeping this for sure. This next one I have here is a little tongue drum that I got for my birthday. I love this thing. It's fun to just pick up. You don't need to know how to play it. It sounds pretty awesome. Probably gonna get rid of this though. I love it. It's fun. It's just I'm gonna donate this. This next one, this is really hard because I've carried this with me the last 4 or 5 years. For traveling, it's not ideal, so it's all muted and stuff. I'm gonna donate this, sadly. Feel bad, but let's get rid of it. We're trying to travel here. Oh, this next one I have here is my acoustic guitar, a little Yamaha FG800, and I bought this recently. I haven't played acoustic guitar too much, so I think I actually am going to keep this over here with the ukulele. Next one, if you know, you know. This here is a didgeridoo. This is an indigenous Australian instrument that is used by, you use the space in your mouth to actually shift the way the vibrations are going through it. So I think I'm gonna donate this, guys. We're gonna leave that over here on the right side. This next one is the banjo. I was learning this last year, and I got into this more than the acoustic guitar, surprisingly. And I enjoy it. I really love it. It's a fun one to come back to. So I'm probably gonna keep this. Really, that's already a key. Or some old Earl Scruggs. That's like the only thing I know on the banjo, so I love it. I don't think I can get rid of it. I think I'm gonna keep it, but we'll see what happens. I might have to change my mind later on. Okay, so we got the banjo, the acoustic guitar, and the ukulele, getting rid of the djembe, the tongue drum, and the didgeridoo. This next one I have here, not an instrument, but it's my old PS2 I've had for a long time. I'm gonna have to get rid of. I'm probably gonna play it today now that I think I'm gonna get rid of it, but so. This next one I have here is gonna be my gardening stuff. These are micro bags. There's 10 of them in here. Sam bought me these for, I think, Christmas this last year, and I grew peppers out of them. And pretty much growing peppers in an apartment with only a balcony was difficult, but I utilized the whole outside part where everyone walks past, and I put up shade cloths, and it was kind of like its own little garden bed. It was really cool, but it's difficult to do this in an apartment. I am thinking of getting rid of these, probably keeping a few for later on or donating them to family. In here, it's really just like gardening accessories. I have shade cloth, can get rid of that. More shade cloth, we can get rid of that. Little pots to be able to sow seeds, get rid of that. We'll pretty much get rid of this whole bag. This is a cover for a raised bed that I have to be able to actually grow in an apartment. I bought it at Lowe's, and it's outside. It's full of dirt right now, so I'm not really going to bring that in here. And then grow light accessories to be able to actually grow from seed. Here I have the light. I have a little grow set up in our closet where I started all my peppers at, and starter seed mix and gloves. Yeah, that's about it. All of this can be donated and get rid of. I think that is all for now, guys. Just wanted to make this a quick video. Forgot to go through one last thing. This is gonna be my turntable and my very few records that I have here. Let's go through it quick. First off, Crosby turntable here. Plays really well. I am going to be getting rid of this because there's no reason for it to sit in a storage unit for a while. This is a donate. And then we have Flatbush Zombie 5-year anniversary edition. I'm not much of a Flatbush Zombies fan anymore, but I do have the records on the wall because they're really cool. They're like a tie-dye record and it's limited edition. I'm gonna donate that. This here, by far one of my favorite records. This is Louis Del Mar. So if you haven't checked out Louis Del Mar or heard of him, go check him out. Beach House, Depression Cherry. It's a velvet record. I love this album. This here is a prize collection right here. The Legend of Johnny Cash. And my sister gave it to me for a gift. So it's a little warped on this one. I want to keep this just for safekeepings, even though I won't have a record. What's the point? I'm probably going to get rid of it just because, put it back on eBay. But The Legend of Johnny Cash, all of his good greatest hits. 1970s edition, Doors, LA Woman, original. It's got a little bit of damage on it, so it was a little cheaper. But this, you can see here, it says copyright 1971. A little bit of damage, but this is an original record. It says by Elektra Records. Next one here, Mac Miller Circles. Honestly, if I had the option of keeping all this, I would, but I just am not going to travel with it. I almost just want to keep it just because. And then Tame Impala. This is the inner speaker. It has Alter Ego on it. Jeremy Storm, Expectation. Maybe I won't get rid of this. Maybe I won't get rid of anything except for the Flatbush Zombies, because why not? I think I'm going to put on some records and think about it for a while. But I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy our series of decluttering while we are getting ready to travel the world full time. First stop South America, and then from there it's kind of planning as we go. So thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you haven't already, check us out on thelifestyletravelers.com. And then Instagram, Lifestyle Travelers, and TikTok as well. We're everywhere. Hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a good day.